Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a preview of the tattoo on your customer skin. You can go to the gallery and click on your customer's arm and go back to the gallery and click on the design you want to tattoo. You can adjust the size at the arrow at the upper toolbar and go to layers, N, and then multiply. Now it already looks really good. You can again adjust the size so it fits perfectly on your customer skin, and you can also erase the leftovers left and right so the customer gets a better preview of what it's gonna look like. But make sure you don't destroy the original design because you may need it for the stencil process. Yes, and now we're done. I hope you like it.